This is Partho. I am the founder and CEO, Isrex Healthtech Private Limited. 75% of Indian population are from the rural India, and they believe on the curative healthcare approach instead of the preventive healthcare approach. And that's the biggest problem. In India, 2 out of every 3 women are anemic. And every year, we are getting around 1 million people are getting the liver problems. 1 out of every 1,000 liver patient nowadays going for a liver transplant. Also, one-fourth of the death in our country are related to the oxygen saturation. And as we all know, India is a diabetic capital. Another biggest problem is the kidney problem. And in India, aged of between more than 45, every adult out of 11 adults are getting the chronic kidney disease. So in EasyRx, we developed this biomedical device called EasyCheck in the support of Indian Oil Corporation. So this device can detect your hemoglobin, blood glucose, and predict your liver, lungs, and the kidney disease within less than 10 seconds and without taking a single drop of blood from your body. Now, I'm just doing a test. Please place your finger. So I'm just connecting the device through this Android app. So now the device is connected and started collecting the data from the fingertip. So here we are collecting all the spectroscopic signal, and then we are running this signal in an AI model to derive the value of hemoglobin, bilirubin, oxygen saturation, creatinine, and the random blood glucose. So my test is done. So the result came, hemoglobin is 13.6, oxygen saturation is around 98, bilirubin is 0.81, creatinine is 0.65, and random blood glucose is around 120. So all these reports came within less than 10 seconds. This device is, we completed the clinical trial, and also we had the CDSCO certifications, and it is medically regulated. So after completing the device, I can generate the report and transfer this report to any of the messaging services like WhatsApp and the other messaging services as well.